Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of pink salt and also introducing an exciting new product, the supplement MITOLYN, which has been gaining attention for its potential to support metabolism and weight loss. Have you heard about using Himalayan pink salt and natural supplements like MITOLYN to help with this process? It's definitely fascinating. Pink salt is more than just a pretty item in the kitchen. Its rich mineral composition sets it apart from regular salt. And now, with products like MITOLYN, which stimulate energy production in cells, we have new natural tools to speed up this process. But how exactly do these two approaches help with weight loss? Pink salt contains 84 trace minerals that support metabolism, hydration, and digestion. MITOLYN, on the other hand, works directly on the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, promoting energy production and optimal cellular function, which is essential for keeping the metabolism active. Interesting. And does this also help reduce bloating and improve digestion? Yes. Pink salt stimulates stomach acid production, which aids digestion and helps eliminate toxins. MITOLYN, meanwhile, contains ingredients like amla and maki berry, which are rich in antioxidants, helping to balance the digestive tract and support mitochondrial health. And what about food cravings? Are there benefits in that area too? Definitely. Pink salt, being rich in minerals, can help reduce cravings for sugar and salt. MITOLYN, with natural compounds like rhodiola and cacao, helps improve mood and manage stress, two factors that directly influence emotional eating and cravings. I've heard of soul water. Can that still be used along with supplements like MITOLYN? Yes. Soul water, made with pink salt, can be an excellent morning addition for hydration and body alkalinization. Including MITOLYN in this routine also nourishes your cells with compounds that enhance mitochondrial function right at the start of the day. Sounds like a great way to start the day. But when is the best time to take these products? Morning is ideal for both. Soul water prepares your digestive system, while MITOLYN activates cellular metabolism. Post-workout, MITOLYN is also excellent for replenishing energy and speeding up recovery. And what about side effects? It's good to inform our viewers. Of course. Pink salt should be consumed in moderation, especially by people with high blood pressure. As for MITOLYN, since it's made with natural ingredients, it's generally well tolerated, but anyone with medical conditions or taking medications should always consult a healthcare professional before using pink salt or any supplement. MITOLYN stands out because it works directly on the mitochondria, something few supplements do. It's ideal for those looking for more energy, focus, and natural fat burning, and it can be a great alternative or complement to using pink salt. But does pink salt burn belly fat? Not directly. However, by improving cellular function and reducing inflammation, MITOLYN helps the body perform better, which supports fat burning and weight loss when combined with healthy eating and regular physical activity. And how long does it take to see results? With pink salt, you might notice reduced bloating within a few days. The effects of MITOLYN, like increased energy and reduced fatigue, are usually felt within the first few weeks, with more visible results after about 30 days of consistent use. To wrap up, it's clear that both pink salt and the MITOLYN supplement are great allies in a weight loss plan. Any final tips? Absolutely. Combining mindful use of pink salt with MITOLYN, which nourishes mitochondria and activates metabolism, can deliver great results. The most important thing is to maintain a balanced and consistent routine. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, I'll leave the official MITOLYN website link in the description and pinned comment. If you're looking for natural options for energy and healthy weight loss, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.